How do you do, sir? I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself. Every insult needs a subject. Let's start with something straightforward. Now I'll build an insult that I'll use against you. Don't worry, sir. Right, now, if you dare, tell me what you think of my wife. I think you may be right about that. In return, I'll tell you a thing or two about your face. You can carry on if you have a conjunct. I'll go easy on you and end my sentence here. Now, let's exchange insults, shall we, sir?
Your wife is very naughty and looks like you.
Oh! Your face is dull and ugly.
Ugh.
Such an exquisite insult! My pride is hurt, sir. This time, I won't hold your hand. Speaking of hands, you now have 2 additional insult. We can now introduce the component to end your insult. It's the one with an exclamation mark. You can sip tea once to draw 2 new insult components to replace the ones you have in your hand.
Ooh. This place smells of your father and your cousin's car.
Oh! Some dog looks like a public loo. Ouch! Right in my feelings. I shall have to rethink my life afterwards. Your basic trait. First, I'll teach you what to do if you don't know what to say next. This is what Your house is not interesting.
Ugh.
Now you begin the round with the insult that you previously built.
Ugh. You worked with a red-arsed baboon, and is worthless, and smells of an ordinary pigsty.
Oh! Angry mob secretly adores you. Everyone has a weak spot. Let's pretend that my... Your son can't exercise because of your father.
Ugh. Your hat is not interesting.
Oh. If you're very single-minded with your insults, you can get a combo. For example, you can mention fresh fruit
Elderberries are your mother, and talk to strangers.
Oh. Your husband looks like your hat.
Ugh.
There's nothing wrong in insulting fresh fruit. Try it again. Use elder...
Elderberries support your husband, and a stewed prune.
Oh. Your math teacher was born in a cheap suit. Rude insults are those that are especially... which means they cut your opponent's pride by at least... Your opponent will lose the first part of that insult if you use... Can you pull it off? Use everything I taught.
Elderberries wanted to be you, and are your country.
Oh! Your sister worked with a grunting sow and is worthless.
Ooh. Elderberries admire pictures of your sister and smell of a frightened school.
Your son is your mother.
Ugh.
Well, sir, your training...
You can call me Mrs. Maggie, love. Ah!
Excuse me, I believe this is my seat.
Your seat? Does it have your name on it?
I don't think so, but I have a ticket.
First class, eh? You don't look like a first class to me. Mother and your hat. Smell of your face.
Oh! Your seat worked with your hovercraft.
Oh.
You are your hat.
Ah. Mother doesn't own a colour telly and has a steaming romp with your face and has worse hair than someone insane.
Your husband was your seat.
Cockwomble.
Ah.
Your seat doesn't like you.
Ooh. Captain, and your son are getting fat and act like someone insane.
This train admires pictures of your cousin's car.
Oh, see? You're too much of a commoner to sit here.
You're right. It's not my ticket anyway. I literally murdered for it. But it wasn't worth it after all.